Hello guys, hope you all are doing well. See, we are on 1 hour time frame, all right, and we are looking at Bitcoin. And then you see the chart over here. Basically, what really helped me in Bitcoin trading is looking at 1 hour time frame and 4 hour time frame so that I can invest it at the right time. So if you see right from 1st of August, in the last couple of days, the movement that we have seen is actually in the downwards. So if we look at this channel, it was under this channel, right? So basically, if you try and find a pattern over here, right? If you look at it from here to here, once the channel was broken, the price have actually started coming down, right? And from that day, the price is continuously coming down, right? So now we have to identify when the price is going to go up. Right now, it is looking good at these levels. So if we try and draw a channel right from here to here, okay. So we have three resistance. One, almost this one, two, three, four, and almost five, right? And then we have the support. Let's try to join from somewhere over here. Okay. So if you look at it, the only time I believe the price is going to go up is when it breaks at this channel. Now this channel could be broken over here, or we have to keep tracking how the price action actually happens, right? If it breaks this channel with a green candle, and then in the next couple of hours it remains to go high, uh, that is the time we can invest, and we can certainly have upward movement, right? So let's try and see if there is any news around when this channel is broken. I will actually create another video, but I hope you guys are able to understand how to do the technical analysis of Bitcoin. I have seen a lot of people, they do not do the technical analysis and blindly they invest into Bitcoin, assuming things, right? But I want to show you something else on a 4 hour time frame, right? And I think you will appreciate what we see. So 4 hour time frame I have seen has actually worked when you try to analyze for a month, 2 month chart, right? So just look at this. So what I have done is I have just tried to join the tops over here, the resistance, and then I try to join uh, the bottoms, the support levels. Okay, so somewhere like this. Okay, so this point, one, two, three, and then the price went down. Then luckily the price went inside the channel again. But you see, what is the best time to enter? When there was a confirmation, when the price was with a large green candle. When the channel was broken, it gave us a very good indication that the price is going to go up. Same we are expecting over here. But what is the upward movement? Let's say if you would have entered somewhere over here, you could see that you easily would have made around 28-29%, right? So that's the kind of breakouts that we look for. And in case the price actually breaks, let's see what's happening here is before a 4 hour candle, or even in the single hour candle, there is a green candle which is trying to get created over here. So see, there is a what you say, there is a dodgy over here, right? And once the green candles breaks over here, what to expect? I think we can expect from maybe let's say this point an upward movement of at least around 9 to 10%, right? We can expect that movement to happen because there are not many resistance in between. So you can see price action maybe in 10-15 hours it could touch again 42,000, right? So with that expectation, let's close this video. And when there is something happening in the Bitcoin, I'll come back and alert you guys. Hope you're liking. If you like what you see over here, please like and subscribe daily, or based on the price action. We will keep creating videos for you. Thank you so much and take care of yourself and your family. Bye bye.